Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a WordPress template for your website. WordPress templates are essentially pre-designed frameworks that dictate the look and feel of your site. They are incredibly powerful tools, allowing anyone to create a stunning and functional online presence without needing any coding knowledge. We will go over how these templates work, why they are so beneficial, and how they can transform your website project into a smooth and enjoyable experience. Let's dive in and explore the world of WordPress templates. Now that you understand what templates are, let's talk about finding and installing one. You have thousands of options, from free themes in the WordPress directory to premium ones offering advanced features. Think about your website's goals and what kind of look you want to achieve. Once you've made your choice, installing it is straightforward. You can do it with just a few clicks right from your WordPress dashboard, or if you have a downloaded file, you can upload it. It's a simple process that sets the foundation for your site. After installation, the fun really begins. Personalizing your website. WordPress offers an intuitive customizer where you can change colors, fonts, and layout elements with live previews, all without writing a single line of code. Many modern templates also include powerful page builders, giving you drag-and-drop control over your content and design. Don't forget about plugins, which can add incredible functionality, from contact forms to e-commerce capabilities, making your site truly unique and tailored to your needs. It's all about making your vision a reality. Finally, with your website looking fantastic, it's time to launch and ensure its ongoing success. Before going live, thoroughly test everything on different devices and browsers to guarantee a smooth experience for all visitors. Once launched, remember that maintenance is key. Regularly update your WordPress core, your template, and any plugins to keep your site secure and performing at its best. Continuously review your content and design, keeping it fresh and relevant. With these steps, your WordPress website will thrive and serve your audience effectively for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.